Salesforce Advanced Admin Certification Dumps 4. 16. CloudKix is looking for a way to back up its data daily. What should the administrator recommend? A. Extract the data with the import wizard and push it to the target destination. B. Schedule a report and have the data emailed to the admin to put in the target destination. C. Use an ETL tool that can be scheduled to extract the data and push it to the target destination. D. Set up Salesforce's data export service and store the data in the target destination. Answer C. Use an ETL tool that can be scheduled to extract the data and push it to the target destination. 17. What would prevent a user from syncing a quote with an opportunity? A. Another quote is already synced with the opportunity and is awaiting approval. B. The quote has already passed its expiration date. C. The quote has a validation rule preventing it from being updated. D. Another quote is already synced with the opportunity. Answer C. The quote has a validation rule preventing it from being updated. 18. The administrator at CloudKix has been asked to delete a large number of quote line items. They receive a CSV file with the record IDs to be deleted. The administrator uses Data Loader to delete them and selects Use Bulk API. When the job runs, every record shows an entity as deleted error in the error file that is created. What is the reason for the error? A. The batch size selected was greater than the 200 record limit. B. One of the IDs in the batch referenced a record that was in the recycle bin. C. Deleting with Data Loader can only be done in Batch API mode. D. This is the standard error message when records are deleted using Bulk API. Answer B. One of the IDs in the batch referenced a record that was in the recycle bin. 19. An administrator at AW Computing is trying to track the login history for a specific user. The AW Computing org has 150,000 users and multi-factor authentication, MFA, is enabled and enforced for all users. In reviewing the identity verification history data, the administrator is unable to find any information for the mentioned user. The user used to log in regularly but has been inactive this quarter. Which two reasons explain why the user's data is missing from identity verification history? Choose two answers. A. User belongs to a specific role for which identity verification data is not stored. B. Up to 20,000 records of users' identity verification attempts are stored. C. Identity verification history stores the last year's worth of data. D. The last 6 months' worth of data is stored in the identity verification history. Answers B. Up to 20,000 records of users' identity verification attempts are stored. D. The last 6 months' worth of data is stored in the identity verification history. 20. When configuring a change set, which two practices should an administrator adhere to in order to ensure a successful deployment to production? Choose two answers. A. Add permissions and access settings to outbound change sets in addition to the dependent component list. B. When deploying a new record type, ensure the new record type is the only component in the change set. C. Run deployment validations on the change set in the sandbox prior to uploading to production. D. Clone a change set to add forgotten dependent components to an uploaded change set. Answer C. Run deployment validations on the change set in the sandbox prior to uploading to production. D. Clone a change set to add forgotten dependent components to an uploaded change set. For more information visit this site www.salesforcestart.com.